Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and in that video, guys, we're going to analyze for you the Bitcoin here in the monthly, because the monthly candle it just finished yesterday. So we need to analyze it for you, what it's saying. Then we're going to analyze for you the Bitcoin here in the daily. So if you are a long-term investor, stick with the monthly, the weekly, and the daily. If you are a swing trader, we're going to analyze for you here in the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper, we're going to analyze for you here in 30 minutes. And we're going to tell you the economical data which is going to come today, guys. So stick with us till the end of this video and don't try to skip any part of it. Watch everything. So let's start it, guys. As you see, guys, here at the monthly candle, it's finished here. That one, it's finished bad actually. Also, we been wanted to come till that level here and to give us here a big tail here, indicating that the bottom, guys, but it doesn't happen. Also, we wanted just to make like that and to give us a tail down here, but it doesn't happen. So that one's something very, very bad, guys. So we need to wait in another month, because till now, if you're looking, guys, what that candle here doing, if you see over here that the bottom here, so now we need the Bitcoin to come back inside here. If it doesn't come back, there is no bottom, guys. That's something very, very bad. And the volume down, it's still very high, guys, as you see it. As you see, the volume of that one is bigger than that one here when the Terra Luna Classic fall down. As you see, guys, something very bad, but that the market. But for long-term traders, just they say and forget about all those things, guys. Also, we've been thinking of that the bottom here, but till now, us not. So we're still in downtrend, guys. And as you see, guys, do you see here the 50 moving average here? That one here. Also, we still down the net, and that one it used to react like a very stronger resistance every time we used to touch it. Then the Bitcoin it go up from it. So this time, also we break lower here, as you see it. And that candle here is closing below that level, so that's something very bad. Me personally, I think we are going to go up till here, then after that we're going to drop more than that, but we need to wait in another month, because till now also we're still in a downtrend and we need the Bitcoin to go up more. Picture is too clear, guys. By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in for you 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos. One after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, it's going to be very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is down in the first comment, because in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So guys, here as I show you, also we still here in that very stronger supply and demand zone here, that one here of 2018 here at the top. You are in it now, as you see it. So let's hope from here we're going to go higher, or from here we're going to drop below here to that level down here, and that's something very bad, guys. So now we're waiting now here a price action to happen, telling us the market is going to reverse, or a candle telling us we're going to reverse. Till now there is nothing yet. Now, guys, let's go into see the coming economical data for the picture to be more clear to you. Here it is, the economical data which is going to come tomorrow, guys. As you see it, what we got here, we got retail sales of the Aussie. Then we got that one of the Eurozone or President Lagarde speech. Then we got non-farm payroll. That one is going to make a very, very huge impact to the market, guys. Then we got unemployment rate. And that one is, believe me, that one is the most important news, guys, all that month. Why? I'm going to tell you why. What me I told you before. I told you the Fed, he want the unemployment rate to reach between 4 and 5. And if it doesn't come here, as you see it now, also we are 3.7. That's the forecast. And if it came below that level, guys, the Fed, they are going to increase 100 points in 2 months, guys. Also, yes, we pivot, and that month, maybe we're going to increase by 0.50, and even next month is going to increase by 0.50. Till the unemployment rate to reach to 4 or 5. And what it came today, it show us people they losing the jobs of them is getting lower, guys. And the Fed doesn't want that. Picture is too clear, guys. So let's make in a close eye what is going to come tomorrow here. If it came just 3.8 or 4%, that's the pivot, guys. If it came 3.7, that's something very bad. And another thing here, our friend, guys, that one every day also we see it. What it's telling us here, as you see it, that table here, what it's telling us, all US stocks, they are red, guys. They close in red. The only one which is closed green is the Nasdaq. Plus then the SP 500 is closed red. And the Dow Jones is closed red, guys. That's something very bad. But the good news here, guys, what is it? Is that one. Look at it. Our friend, the VIX. Where we are, guys. We are below 20. We are below 20, guys. That's why me have been telling you, guys. We are very, 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 very close. And maybe tomorrow I will make for you a video about on-chain to analyze for you the data of the on-chain of the Bitcoin. But here it's showing we go back to stability, guys. Now the economical, it's need to recover. Now there is not a lot of scarcity there is it in the market. That's something very, 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 very good. So for long-term investors, they say, I tell that to you thousands of times. US dollar is 104. That's something very good, guys. Now let's going back to the daily to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the daily, guys. In the daily, as you see it came here, that red candle here. And it came here in that level where I showed you before, that one. So that one's something very bad. But let's wait in the next day. The candle is going to come here. What is going to tell us if we are going to continue upward or we are going to fall down from here. So let's wait in, guys. But me, I told you we have now 1 month of the December month. We need to wait it till we're going to come back inside here, that level here. And here in the daily, I tell it to you, and we still wait what's going to happen. I told you we got here an inside bar. Is it that one? And that one, and I told you we need to wait in either the break to happen up or the break to happen down. Till now also we just still sideways here, so there is no entry long unless if it came back and close inside, guys. So close where? Let me show it to you. I showed it to you before, but it's okay, let me show it again. I said before we got here that Y curve or here a square like that. I told you it's need that one to come back inside here. If it doesn't come back inside there, guys, there is no entry yet, and also we're still in a downtrend. I tell you that thousands of times. So now what we need to wait in, we need to wait in the Bitcoin to come back inside here and to go up and to do like that. If it do it like that, that's the bottom, guys. If it doesn't do it, there is no bottom, guys. There is more falling down. That was me being telling you all those days, guys. For long-term investors, forget about all that. They say, also we buy from here. People they been with me, I buy from here and we buy from here. Why also we buy from there? We buy from there because we used to have here a wage. When it's breaking that candle here, we buy. And when it fall down here, we buy. Now we are waiting that one to go back here to that place. And also we're going to sell a little bit. And we're going to stay in risk free. If it fall down to 10K, we will have our capital, we will buy more. If it's not, that's it, guys. Picture is too clear. I was going to say our indicators were the same for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys. By the way, you. Yes, you. I know you are a subscriber. Do you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it, please. Support us. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You know that channel without you and the other it can growing up. So please pause the video now. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. Support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. So please support us. It's not something, guys. It will not take that much from you. Just 1 second. Pause the video, smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. And I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. That one here, guys, what also we said about it. When we used to be here, just 2 days ago, we'll be in here. I told you it need to break here. And that's what it done exactly. As you see it, it came till here. Now, what the view, guys? The view either from here is going to go back up till here, till the downtrend here. And here also we're going to sell what we buy from here and what we buy from here. And we'll not sell everything, guys. No. Also we're going to sell, let's say we buy from here $100 and from here $100. In that level here, we're going to sell what is equal to $200. And the rest, we will leave it as a risk-free because it's just Bitcoin and also we don't use in any margin, guys. If it go up, we'll take the profit. If it fall down more, our capital we buy from here and here, is it free? and also we got more capital to buy from down, guys. By the way, that trading strategy me I'm telling you, it's very well explained in our course. The course of us is it down in the first comment. And by the way, if you're using the coupon link down, it will cost you only 13 bucks, my friend. The price of a cup of coffee. And believe me, the course of us is better than million of courses you buy online by $1,000 and $2,000. Because us, you learn from professional people, not someone who just came tomorrow and he just bringing pictures from Google and put it here. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. In the 4 hours, where else we enter long? We enter from here, from that candle. The last video used to be here. What did I told you here? I told you guys they enter with all swing trading from here. They need to start thinking of to take some of the profit. Yes or no? We've been telling you that. Now what you see in the Bitcoin doing, guys, here. It's reversing a little bit. And what else we got in our chart? Let me show you. Look with me, guys, here. The Bitcoin chart, it's breaking that downtrend also we've been following here. Yes or no? It went up. Now it's showing here another rejection. Now let's hope from here is going to go back up. Because in that place also we need to take the profit, guys. As you see it, me how I got it. That one at the right place for you to take the profit. Don't wait in more when you reach here. Me I'm talking about swing trading, not long-term investment. Long-term investment take profit is at 100k. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into our indicators. What the same for pictures to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, when it came here, I told you guys take profit, yes or no? And also when we been here, I told you guys buy. Look how much you make. You see it or no? And I've been analyzing for you all those things in just few videos. Because one person he told me you need to make the videos here. Just go back and watch our videos. Also, we don't make a lot of editing because editing is going to take too much of time. Just go back and watch it. Also, we said it here. Just 2 or 3 videos I think ago, we said it like that, guys. We tell you it needs to give us another high. Look where we are. And people they being with us, please write down a comment. Tell people, yes, what we said it before. Because some people they just came, they thinking us, we just make it. You can just go back to the other videos and see it. Now I tell you just in the past video you can find it still in the channel. Also we don't delta nothing. We tell you here to take profit here in that level. Look where we are now. What the view here? I think it's going to fall down till here, guys. But also we are going to go more higher. Forget about everything and all the news, all the media, they just misleading you. You are in the right moment, guys, to start buying slowly by slowly. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one here, also we enter long when we used to be here down. Why we enter? Because we used to have here a very stronger supply and demand zone. We have here a triangle. Also we enter from here. You can find it still in our channel. Anyone is not sure what else we're talking about, just go back and watch 6 videos before that one and you're going to find it. When Bitcoin it used to be here exactly in that place. Also we tell people to enter from here. Look where we are. And our indicator is here at the overbought area. What should you do, guys, now? People they being with us. What should you do now? You need to take profit. I tell it that to you in the last video. It might that one it will go more higher than that, but that's the right time for you to take the profit. And also now we will look in just for short opportunity. Where is the price action we got here for us to enter short? Look with me here. I'll show you that one. If that one came and breaking down here, we will enter short, guys. Take profit is going to be at 10k, but not now. Not someone to come to me, he will tell me he enter short from here. There is no price action there indicating you need to enter short. Remember that. It's need to come and to break here. Look with me that one. To break the trend line. Look at it how I started from here and here. That's a trend line. If it came and break in here, how is going to break a candle to start it here and to close below here in that level. That's the right time for you to enter short. Why? Our indicator is at the overbought area, guys, and I'll show you in the monthly. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity for tomorrow. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, the last 2 videos, watch me I told you, or only the last video, watch me I told you here. I told you like that. We got a channel like that. I told you if it's breaking lower here, you enter short. Then it's break, yes. You need to enter short now. Stop lose, where you need to put it here. Me I'm talking here about scalpers, not swing traders. Swing traders take only with 4 hours. Enter short now here. Take profit where it needs to be here at the 200 moving average, guys. Why? Let me show you why. Our indicator used to be here at the overbought area. It's breaking down. You need to enter short. Simple. Very simple, guys. Our other indicator, what it say? Let's see it. Our other indicator, I'll show you. We got here a divergence, guys. Yes or no? I just show it to you 2 or 3 videos like that. Now we're breaking down, and I told you need to enter short. I think we are going to go lower, guys, in the coming days. Not that much, we will not go that much, but only here at the 200 moving average to take profit. Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for that video. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.